Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I was able to tie this trending gele. If this video helps you in any way, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. I love you guys so much. And if you've not watched my previous videos on how to tie gele, please do that because they are really going to help you to know how to tie gele. I love you all so much. So the first thing you're going to have to do when you want to tie this gele is to make sure that you fold the edges before placing the gele on your model's head. And then after that, you also have to determine the amount of pleats that you want to make on her head. But for me right now, I made 4 pleats on her head. After making your pleats, you also have to make sure that you trace the pleats down towards her neck area for the right hand side and for the left hand side. Once you do this, you will know that your pleats will become neat and will also look very good. So guys, the rule for this particular gele today is 80-20. One hand of your gele has to really be longer than the other hand of your gele. The 20 part of the gele is what she's holding right now, and then the 80 part of the gele is what I am holding right now. And this is going to enable me form my pleats and also my fan. When tying gele, you have to take your time so that your pleats comes out really nice and beautiful, and that is why I'm taking my time in this video. What I used to tie this gele today is an ashoke. You can also use a paper scarf to tie a fan. It is not prohibited at all. It is allowed for you to do that. So you can use an ashoke and you can also use a paper scarf. Although the ashoke depends on how hard it is. If it is a soft ashoke, you will not be able to get your fan the way it usually is. So you have to use something that is very hard. For me right now, my ashoke is a very hard ashoke, and that is why I'm using it. If you don't use a hard ashoke, it's not going to stand. So at this point right now, I'm going to start making my fan. The fan is that the standing pleats. I'm going to start making my fan. One hand has to hold the pleats while the other hand makes the fan. So you can make 2 pleats and then pin it, and you can make 2 pleats and pin it, or you can go one by one. You can make a pleat, pin, and then make another pleat and pin, or you can make 3 or 2 and pin it so that your gele does not unravel. Just in case you want to dance, or just in case you get busy at any occasion at all, you want to make sure that your gele is firm and it doesn't unravel at any point. Okay guys, so I'm done making my pleats. I'm just going to twist the part that is left, that is the end of the gele. I'm going to twist the remaining parts, and I'm also going to make sure that I take it to the back and pin it. This is very important. You also have to pin properly so that your gele does not unravel. We all know that this is the most trending gele right now, and if it's not done properly, people will definitely know, and you're going to feel so uncomfortable on your head. So you really have to do it properly. So right now I'm also going to twist the 20 parts of my gele and then pin it. I love this gele so much because it is one of the fastest gele. You can even do this in less than 3 minutes, 2 minutes, and you're good to go. Once you just follow these steps I'm showing you guys today, you will definitely not miss it. So guys, this is what your gele should look like. At the end of the day, it should look like something like this. And after tying my gele, after tying her gele, I'm just going to make sure that I arrange the pleats properly and that it's well done and she's good to go. So this is also what the back of the gele should look like. This is going to be a closed gele. Her hair is not done, and that is why I'm closing the back of the gele. But if her hair were done, I would have opened it so that the beauty comes out more. But all the same, it's still beautiful this way. Please subscribe, like and share if this tutorial has helped you in any way. I love you guys so much and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.